So, yeah, I got to fly the Millennium Falcon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Chuck, and I talk about Star Wars stuff. This is a different video. The reason is because I really don't have that much of a, topic this week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the video that Kat, my daughter, took of us for our trip out to Oogie Boogie Bash. And we went over to Disneyland, and then we went into Galaxy's Edge. And of course, one of the challenges that my sister Alice had put forth to us was to pilot the Millennium Falcon. Well, at least for me. And Kat took the camera from me and filmed me in the left seat of the Millennium Falcon. Yay! So here it is, and I hope you enjoy, and we'll talk about more stuff probably next week, a little bit later. I don't know what topic we're going to come up with. So enjoy.
All right, so one more time, right to left, up and down. And for the sake of the little one, I hope you don't crash.
It's really dark in here.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out. Move forward to fly down. Only one gun.
Oh, God.
Weapons are online.
Jesus.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Oh.
There's the train. Jump. Up. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They block onto us. Take evasive action. Ah, there it is. After that train. Right engineer. Fire the opposite. Left pilot brakes.
Oh.
Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I grab the thing. Oh, axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has landed, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep bashing those controls. The cargo is breaking, keep shooting. Distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
No light speed.
It's not my fault. Pilots, evasive maneuver. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Come on. You did it. Watch out.
Oh!
That's going to leave a mark. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of Coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that was rough. That hurts.
Ooh.
Looks like we are ready to unload.
So there you have it, folks. I was in the left seat in the cockpit of the Millennium Falcon, and it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I know by now that there's a whole lot of other people that have piloted the Millennium Falcon, and that's a big deal. But for folks my age, we have waited 40 years for this opportunity. Over 40 years for this opportunity. And now we have it. And now everybody has had a chance to actually sit in the left seat. So there we are. I am going to try to come up with a new topic for next week. I don't know what we're going to do. I've threatened talking about characters from Andor and doing more in-depth dives in those. Still doing some research. So we'll see where it goes. Anyway, thanks for coming by. Thanks for joining me, and have a good day in the galaxy.